In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Outlook. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get the Outlook app connected to your Slack workspace with clear explanations so you understand what each screen is asking for and how to avoid common snags. To begin, open your web browser and head to the apps page where you manage integrations. Make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace in that browser because the install will attach to whichever workspace you're currently using. If your organization requires admin approval for apps, you may need permission before you can finish the setup. Once the page loads, look for the menu labeled More and select it. This reveals additional options that aren't shown by default, which is where the integration tools live. From there, choose Tools. Think of this as the spot that groups the utilities and connectors that extend what your workspace can do. Inside Tools, click Apps. The Apps area opens the catalog where you can find and add official integrations. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Outlook into that search field. You're looking for the Outlook integration that connects your Microsoft account with Slack so you can get notifications and take quick actions without leaving your channels. If you see multiple results, pick the official listing that matches your organization's needs. In the results, open the Outlook listing and click Install. Installing prepares the connector and may prompt you to confirm the workspace and review requested permissions. If you're on a managed device or network, keep the tab open while it completes so nothing times out. Next, click Add to Slack. This button starts the authorization handshake between Slack and Outlook. If you're signed into multiple workspaces, double check that the correct one is selected. You may be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account if you aren't already. Use your work account so calendars and mail match your Slack identity. When the permissions screen appears, review what the app will access, then click Allow. Granting permission lets Slack read or send the data the app needs to function within the limits your admin has approved. If anything looks restricted, that's normal in tightly managed environments. After you allow access, the installation will finish and confirm it's connected. Give the page a moment and don't close the window until you see success. Back in Slack, you'll find the Outlook app in your app's sidebar, along with a welcome message confirming the setup. That's it. You went to the apps page, opened More, selected Tools, chose Apps, searched for Outlook, clicked Install, added it to Slack, and allowed permissions. If something doesn't appear, refresh your browser or check with your workspace admin about required approvals. Enjoy the smoother workflow between Slack and Outlook.